In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check classwork due in Google Classroom. Let's get started right from your web browser. Head to google.com. At the top right, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. Give that a click to open the app launcher. From the panel that appears, choose Classroom. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you use the correct school or work account so you see the right classes. Once Classroom opens, you'll land on a page showing your class tiles. Click the class you want to check. I'm using a sample class for this walkthrough, but you'll select your own course. After the class opens, move to the top menu and click the Classwork tab. This is the hub where all assignments, questions, and materials are organized, often by topic. It's the best place to quickly scan what's assigned and what might be due soon. On the Classwork page, you'll see a list of items. Assignments typically show a title and sometimes a due date right on the card. In this example, we'll open an assignment called Reflection Paper. Your assignment names will be different, but the process is the same. Click the assignment title to expand it. You'll get a brief preview, and from there, click View Instructions. The instructions view is where you can confirm everything you need to know about what's due. At the top, you'll see the assignment title and the due date if one is set. Right below, you'll find the teacher's directions. Read these carefully to understand expectations, formatting, and any specific prompts. You'll also see points or grading criteria if they're provided. If your teacher added attachments like a Google Doc template, a reading, or a slide deck, they'll appear here. Open each attachment to make sure you know what needs to be completed. If there's a rubric, you can expand it to understand how your work will be evaluated, which is especially helpful for planning your time. If you're just checking what's due, this page gives you the complete picture without making any changes to your submission status. When you're done reviewing, you can close the instructions or navigate back to the Classwork tab to look over other assignments the same way. Repeat this process for any item you want to verify. Open the assignment, then view the instructions to confirm the due date, requirements, and any attached resources. And that's it. You've learned how to open Google Classroom, go to your class, navigate to Classwork, and review the full details of an assignment by opening its instructions so you can clearly see what's due and what's expected.